In this video, I'll guide you through the how to add a pet fee on Vrbo. Whether you're a seasoned Vrbo host or just starting out, knowing how to effectively manage additional charges like pet fees is essential to optimizing your rental business. Let's dive right in and make sure everything is set up correctly. First things first, you'll need to select the specific property you want to update. This is especially important if you manage multiple properties, as each one may have different requirements or policies regarding pets. Make sure you're on the correct property page to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're on the right property page, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options to manage your listing, but what we're interested in is the calendar. Go ahead and select that. The calendar option is where you can see and manage all your bookings, but it also allows you to access more detailed settings for your property. Now, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings. Click on this icon to reveal more options. From here, select the pricing tab. This is where all your financial settings are centralized, allowing you to manage rates, discounts, and of course, additional charges. Under the pricing tab, scroll until you find the section labeled additional charges. This is where you can specify any extra fees that might apply to your guest stay. Select fees to delve into the various types of charges you can add or modify. In the list of standard fees, locate the pet fee option. This is specifically designed for hosts who allow pets and need to charge an extra fee to cover potential cleaning or damage costs. Once you find it, you'll be able to enter the amount you want to charge. You'll also need to decide whether this fee should be applied per stay or per day. The per stay option is typically standard, meaning the fee is charged once regardless of the length of the guest's stay. However, if you prefer to charge daily for pets, the per day option is also available. Consider what makes the most sense for your property and clientele. After entering the amount and selecting the appropriate frequency, make sure to save your changes. Saving is crucial as you don't want to lose any adjustments you've made. This will ensure that your new pet fee is applied to future bookings automatically. And there you have it. You now know how to add a pet fee on Vrbo, ensuring that you can accommodate pet owners while also covering any potential costs associated with their furry friends. Remember, being clear with your guests about any additional charges upfront can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure a smooth experience for both parties. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.